We're here, we're home.
Ahoy mateys! We're here on Lake Lanier and finally made it to the house and we're just kind of relaxing. Check out this lake though.
So this is our new home. We live on Lake Lanier in North Georgia.
This is actually our house right here.
Yeah, we live on an inner
Yep,
tube.
this is where she's giving birth.
Giving birth here.
A water birth.
Water birth, you know, the real deal. This is so beautiful. We live in like a little inlet part of Lake Lanier. It goes out, opens up way out there. And it's a beautiful day. It's very hot here and very humid. So it's in the 90s and it feels even hotter with the dense humidity. So we're sweating, but
very different than Redding.
Yeah.
Redding, summers in the hundreds. 20% humidity, so
very dry.
Very dry. So it could be really hot and it's like, okay.
But you feel like you can still breathe oxygen.
But yeah, here's different.
The house has been here a while, but it got renovated and it's all updated and stuff. Really beautiful. At some point we'll show you guys the house. We're still moving everything in, so it is just chaos and it's a mess right now. All the baby stuff's just everywhere, but we will eventually let you guys see the actual house and like where we're staying inside. But this is the outdoor property.
No big deal. Not too bad of a backyard.
Not a bad yard.
Yeah.
And then this is the dock behind us. It's got like a houseboat here, a speedboat,
inner tubes,
and then you can't see it, but over there's a jet ski as well.
Another cool thing about this lake is it goes obviously all the way down and then it just spider webs into a bunch of different little islands, and you literally can take your boat and drive up to these restaurants that are right on the lake and just pull up, port, and then have a day.
Have a day.
Yeah. So it's pretty chill.
Yeah, I guess to get around the whole like circumference of the whole lake would take hours. So that's kind of how vast the lake is, but it's very spider webby, so it kind of goes everywhere.
Yeah. Got a boat behind us. Where's the boat? There it is. And everyone's so chill here too. You'll just come out here in the morning and it's beautiful and quiet and all you hear are these amazing birds. And then in the afternoon, especially on the weekend, you just hear everybody blasting their tunes on these houseboats.
It's like a party.
Yeah.
A water party.
Super dope.
So super lively.
And this water is hella warm. Feels great though. It's like Hawaiian water.
We got some waves.
Ooh. You can't really see the waves. There comes a jet ski. Yeah, everyone just has a lot of fun. Not too bad of a place, huh, Mom?
So how do you like living in Georgia so far?
I dig it. Everything is, as you can see, super green. There's nothing dead, there's nothing dry. I'm living up in California for 12 years. I think April or May, there's a couple weeks where it rains, and then the green grass kind of just comes back, like nature takes a deep breath before it dives into hell. Because it's into the inferno. It's so hot, and once it's, I mean, we barely get any rain. Well, I think we're gonna chill on the lake for a little bit, and then let's show them the yard.
Yeah, we'll show you guys the yard and a little more of the house.
All right.
Boom, we're here. This is the backyard. The house is back here. This is the house that we are staying in. We are staying in this whole basement half. So it's like this whole under part is our living quarters. It's like a basement apartment. So we're super excited, super blessed to be able to stay here, and my mom and my stepdad live on the upper part. It's 3 stories. And like I said, right now it is just chaos. It's a mess. There's construction stuff. We're moving in still. We're getting settled. But sooner or later you guys will probably see updates and videos coming from inside, and you'll get to see the inside too. So we just got here and we got a lot of unpacking to do, get everything ready. But literally this is the backyard. So we wake up, we're downstairs, right over there is our room, and we can just open up and walk down here and right to the lake. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. There's no fences, anything like that. Super chill. Next stop is our home number 2, which is where we'll be staying a part of the time as well. And that's at my dad's house. So we're gonna show you guys a little bit of that as well. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was a rough transition.
How did we get here?
Hey, we made it to my dad's.
We're at your dad's?
Yeah, it worked. Last
worked.
time we ended up in like China.
I know, really weird.
Cool. Well, this is home number 2.
Home number 2. This
So-
is where we'll be staying to kind of help with the kiddo and all that jazz.
The other part of the time.
Yeah.
So the first house was the lake house, and that's my mom and stepdad's, and this is my dad and stepmom's.
Yep.
So we're gonna be back and forth between these two, but this is his lovely property, and we're super blessed and grateful to be here. It's just really beautiful. It actually just stormed and rained, so everything's kind of like gray and passing.
Crazy thunderstorm and lightning storm.
Yeah.
I love it. Growing up like in the Washington area, Vancouver, Washington, barely any type of thunder and lightning. And here, all of a sudden, clouds show up and then literally just kaboom, and
Yeah.
everything's going crazy.
lightning
And you're
and
just, to me, I love it. I'm like a little dog just looking around everywhere. It just got done doing a torrential downpour. It looked crazy.
Yeah,
So,
lots of pop-up thunderstorms.
beautiful little spot. Got the little chill area. And right over here, let me show them this. Well, first here's the hot tub. And then a hot tub waterfall overflows into the pool and then warms the pool up. And then there's a water slide right there. Goes to the top, right up there, and then come down. And then there's like a chill little spot over here. So you can just,
This is technically like the kiddie pool.
it's the little kiddie pool. I don't know if you can hear her. We'll run over there and meet her. And then there's a big screen TV with a speaker. It's fully waterproof, so you can just let it do its thing in the middle of a downpour.
I feel like we'll be putting Trek in here a lot because it's so perfect for kids.
Yeah,
It's really shallow water.
yeah.
How much would you say that is? Not even a foot.
No, not at all. Maybe
Like
like
6,
8
8
inches.
8 inches of water.
Something like-
Some cool chill lounge chairs where we can sit and watch him and play with him in the water. So we're super excited. In there, there's also like a nursery and a whole playroom set up and
Oh,
everything.
yeah, right.
Like we said in the last video, you guys will see the insides of the house eventually, just in the vlogs and stuff. And we're not gonna get into all that right now. It would probably be way too long of a video.
Sure. Well, we made it in one piece going across the country.
Crazy
So,
awesome trip.
that
Thank you
feels
guys
good.
thanks everyone for following along and watching all the videos. We've heard some cool feedback from some of you guys about how much you liked the videos and watching and trailing along with us. So it was definitely quite the trek
Yeah.
and the adventure,
Yeah.
and it's fitting for his name and what he's bringing into the world. So
Trekkers.
Trekkers, yep.
Yeah. Feels good to finally be in Georgia. Like, look at all
That's
that.
the storm right there that's breaking up.
Yep.
I don't know if it shows up on the phone, but you can see the humidity right in here, just lingering in all the trees.
Yeah.
It's like foggy looking.
Yeah.
Fresh summer rainfall.
All right. Well, we're about to slide on out of here. Look, I feel like we're in Hawaii right now.
No, it looks like a resort.
So we're finally here. We're finally in Georgia, and we're just getting settled. We'll show you guys the inside sometime soon. Getting everything kind of organized, and baby showers coming up in June, so it's really close. So yeah, we're tugging along, really.
Yeah, next episode will be the baby shower, so you
Yeah.
guys can feel a part of that from afar, especially those who didn't make it, weren't able
Yeah.
to make it.
Yep. So here we go. All right, well, we love you guys, and thanks for all the happy wishes and all that jazz and dirt-a-la-day, and we'll see you at the baby shower. Lit.